Chilliz sort of is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that basically has an essentially present worth of $0.056645 and a market capitalization of $423,593,203 in a really significant manner. Digital currencies in every practical sense have commonly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an unobtrusive way. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which is genuinely critical. Some huge speculation banks even really secure Chilliz and certainly other digital forms of money all at once to for the most part safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the right time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that sort of depend on the readings of our especially special crypto unpredictability file that in every practical sense assists us with checking the market opinion and really expect where in which the market means to go in a truly significant manner especially. At this point, the cost of Chilliz truly is $0.056645, while the coin at present by and large ends up at 63rd spot in the sort of generally speaking positioning, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The said genuinely positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's certainly present value that explicitly is increased by its by and large current market capitalization, an equation that especially is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients by and large get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in a significant way. It's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in a kind of significant manner. On October 9, the cost of Chilliz really was at $0.059984 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in every practical sense added up to 0.60% in a sort of significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 3, CHZ by and large was esteemed at $0.061508, which most certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has commonly vacillated by 0% in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on September 10, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.058976. Subsequently, the coin in a real sense has made a 3.95% move to really arrive at its genuinely present standings, which generally is very critical. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main essentially factor that we consider while making the cost forecast, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to truly keep a genuinely sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to truly have a reasonable perspective on where the market in a real sense is going, which is genuinely critical. The examination of market capitalization basically conveys exceptionally equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, which by and large is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to decide the all things considered, by and large position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a significant way explicitly. Changes in market capitalization kind of sure or truly negative generally are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and long-haul viewpoints, or so they explicitly thought. This by and large specific truly metric especially is likewise used to measure the strength of Chilliz, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which really is very huge. To really decide the sort of current market capitalization of CHZ, we certainly duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will be explicitly made sense of later by the fundamentally present worth of the digital money under survey, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz truly remains at $423,593,203, which frames the reason for most certainly present extremely positioning was referenced before, which truly is very huge. Yesterday, on October 9, CHZ in every practical sense had a market capitalization of $448,567,233. Further appearance is a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology really is utilized to decide the very in general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Keep going week. On October 3rd, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in a real sense was recorded at $459,222,066. A month prior, on September 10th, the market worth of Chilliz fundamentally was evaluated to explicitly be $436,535,139, which essentially is genuinely critical. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can really be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, showing that starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz generally remains at $423,593,203, which frames the reason for commonly present kind of positioning was referenced before in a kind of significant manner. This fundamentally metric additionally considers the coins that really have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which in every practical sense is applied to control the expansion rate, which is genuinely critical. At this point, the really all-out supply of Chilliz by and large is laid out at 888 CHZ, which in a real sense is very huge. Ultimately, the flowing stockpile truly is utilized to in a real sense compute the market capitalization and survey the coins certainly current remaining in the positions, exhibiting that, as a matter of fact, complete inventory considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. It means the general measure of CHZ that truly is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that generally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly for the most part put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large generally accepted that digital currencies that in every practical sense have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most reasonable for especially long-haul speculation, since they for the most part are generally really liable to by and large value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Chilliz in every way that really matters has a coursing supply of 7,478,079,839 coins in a kind of enormous manner. Over the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the mark of $23,439,403. Yesterday, on October 9th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame basically remained at $14,693,592 in a quite large manner. 7 days prior, on October 3rd, how much CHZ that truly was traded between market members sort of was assessed at $40,850,055, which generally is genuinely critical. Presently for the most part comes an opportunity to sort of make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto instability file, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Chilliz will generally follow over the course of the following 1